The Bitcoin market has undergone significant changes in the past 12 years. Most people had never heard of Bitcoin till a few years ago. However, the majority of people are currently aware of what Bitcoin is. Many people worry if the rise in Bitcoin prices has inflated the investing market due to its rising popularity. Although many long-term investors hold the same beliefs, these Bitcoin rumors are only urban legends. Also keen to trade in the Bitcoin market is the investing community. The video below debunks common misconceptions regarding the Bitcoin market. Regarding Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin, a digital currency, in January 2009. Comparing this digital currency to a conventional online payment method, fewer transaction fees are promised. Instead of using centralized authorities, cryptography is employed to control the production and administration of Bitcoin. It is accessible to everyone in a transparent manner and is open to the public. Many people may not be aware that Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever introduced to the world, but prior attempts to develop online currencies with ledgers and encryptions were made. But while they were formulated, they were not yet fully formed. Two such examples are BitGold and B-Money. Buying Bitcoin is quite simple. Anyone can purchase Bitcoin for any amount starting at 100 Indian rupees. How do bubbles work? It is important to first understand what a bubble is to understand that Bitcoin is not a bubble investment. A speculative or asset bubble is another term for a bubble. A quick rise in an asset's price that, in the case of bubbles, is followed by a crash or contraction, which involves a sharp drop in the asset's price, is what distinguishes them. Arguments against calling Bitcoin a bubble. Many people could believe that Bitcoin is acting nearly like a bubble. Nevertheless, we will outline 5 patterns that would demonstrate how future-focused the cryptocurrency sector is. A valid currency. Banknotes that are accepted lawfully are considered legal currency. The legal authorities did not recognize Bitcoin as a lawful tender due to the negative associations that were prefixed with it. However, more nations are emerging and beginning to feel that Bitcoin can become a legal tender due to the increased market transparency and applications it has. By 2021, Bitcoin got accepted as currency in a large number of nations, including the USA, Japan, Australia, El Salvador, and the Philippines. The trade of Bitcoin is substantially simpler in these nations. Standard orbit. Since being recognized as legal cash, Bitcoin has gained widespread acceptance. Not only this, but it should also be noted that massive corporations like Microsoft and Tesla are investing in this digital currency, reflecting the fact that internet businesses have also embraced Bitcoin to win over the public's trust. People should also be aware that Amazon is working by enabling customers to pay for purchases with Bitcoins, shedding more light on the fact that Bitcoin is not a bubble investment. In many countries, a sizable population has recently begun purchasing Bitcoin. Limited supply. The restricted supply of Bitcoin is another factor contributing to its negative connotations. Only 21 million coins have been produced since the cryptocurrency market was founded in 2009, meaning that after Bitcoin mining, there will only be 21 million tokens in circulation. Additionally, mining can be time-consuming and may not be worthwhile in comparison to the compensation earned by the miner. So, with rising demand and falling supply, the value of Bitcoins is destined to soar. However, Bitcoin inflation is possible but won't have the same effects. Since Bitcoin entered the investment business, the world market has undergone a revolutionary upheaval. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.